Saving a default font in Noteful might seem really confusing, but it is amazing. It is probably one of the best features of Noteful, and let me show you how you can create multiple default fonts in Noteful. Let's talk about how to make a default font in Noteful. So if you're coming from GoodNotes to Noteful, this might feel a little bit confusing because whenever you have your text box and you type here, there's no it doesn't appear that there is a save to default like there is in GoodNotes. It's not obvious, but there is a way to do it, and it's actually so much better than GoodNotes. It is brilliant. So let me show you how to save a default font in Noteful. So what you're going to do is you're going to first place a text box and then just write whatever you want. So I have an oil change this day, and I want this font to be a little bit bigger. So let's say that I want this to be 36 or 48, whatever, we'll name it 48, and let's say I want this to be in the Berry Parfait font. And if I want to save this as a default font that I can use over and over again, and it's going to pop up that way, I'm going to click right here on this A, which this is your styles, and then I'm going to click this plus button. And now I would normally name it the font name and the size. So I'm going to name this Berry Parfait, and I'm going to name it 48 and hit save. So now let's do this one more time. So I'm going to click to add a text box, and I'm going to write down here on this list. So let's say I need to order groceries. So in tap to add my text box, order groceries. And you'll notice it didn't do the same font and text box size that I had selected over here, and I saved to styles. And there's a reason for that. So I'm going to take this, and I want it to fit on this line. So I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to increase my font size until I feel like it fits in there well. So I'm going to save this to 28, and I like that font. So now I want to save it again as a new style, and I'm going to name this the font name Spring Sunrise, and I could name it 28, or I could even name it Lines Height, and hit save. So now let's say I want to add another text box here, and I want it to be the exact same size and font as this one. All you have to do is tap your text box tool, tap where you want it, then go down here to styles, and you're going to select this one. Now you're just going to put whatever you want. So I need to order filament, and now it is the exact same size and font as the one above it. Now let's say I wanted to add something up here, but I wanted it to be this Berry Parfait font. All I have to do is tap my text box tool, tap wherever I want it, go down here to styles and choose Berry Parfait. And now whenever I type, let's say I have a doctor's appointment, it is going to be in that Berry Parfait font, and it's going to be the same size as this one. So that is how you can save more than one default font right here under styles, and how you can switch between them as you're adding text boxes. So cool, and way better than GoodNotes.